Hi, this is Wendy Alley, Vice President of MLS Operations here at PAR MLS. Thank you for joining me on this short video on the differences between virtual tours, virtual open houses, virtual showings, and videos. So let's get started. Let's take a look first at virtual tours and videos. This is something that you should already be very familiar with. A virtual tour is a pre-recorded media slideshow, video, or other media hosted on a URL and available on demand. Video is much the same as a pre-recorded and can be used as a virtual tour. So as you know, we have a rule in our MLS that says there can be no branding on a virtual tour or a video. So that means you can't put your photo, your name, your company name, or any contact information on these virtual tours that go out. When putting a virtual tour into Paragon, it's very easy. This is just a snapshot of the input sheet. You're going to just copy and paste the link of your virtual tour into one of the 3 slots that we have available for virtual tours. Once you save that in your listing, it will show on all of the reports that we have in Paragon. This is an agent full. It will also show to customers. So if another agent is emailing your listing out, it will also show up there as a virtual tour that they would be able to see. We also syndicate our virtual tours out to places like Zillow. So you'll see that they have a place there where they pick those up. They can look at the virtual tour when they're looking at the listing on their site. And we syndicate to close to about 100 different websites. So your virtual tours are getting syndicated out along with your listings. So let's talk a little bit about virtual open house and virtual showings. A virtual open house is a real-time live scheduled event conducted virtually via live stream or similar delivery. This is a public event, so you can take your video chat link and you can post that on your listing and push that out to as many people as you want to. It is considered public, so however many people join you is great. And then virtual showing is real-time live scheduled property showing conducted virtually via live stream or similar delivery for a customer or client. So a little different than an open house. This is a one-on-one video chat with you and your customer, with you walking through the home and showing them that listing via video chat. You might notice that there are some listings now in the MLS that say virtual showing only, and this is exactly what it's talking about. It's talking about you as the list agent going in and having a video chat one-on-one with your customer. So you can do both of these simply with a tablet or with your smartphone. So let's take a look now at the different programs that you can use. This is a list of all acceptable programs that Paragon will take in the virtual open house field that we have available now. I really can't recommend one over the other. It's really what you're comfortable with. I would just suggest that you check a few out to see which one might work best for you. You can actually find this list at our website, which is parwiki.com. So parwiki.com. You're going to find the definitions for a virtual open house and virtual tour and virtual showing, as well as this list of recommended or approved programs to use for your video chat. That is going to be available for you at the parwiki.com site. So once you get into one of these programs and you set up the time and the date that you want to have your open house, it will give you a link to copy and paste. And what you're going to do is go into Paragon. This is on the input sheet of your listing. You're simply going to click on the left-hand side, Add, Edit, Open House, and then you're going to choose Add New. That's going to bring up a new window for you. You are going to put that URL that program gave you once you set up your time and date. You're going to place it up there. You're going to select the dates, of course, and the times that your open house is available. And then from there, you're going to hit the Save button. That will enter your listing, your open house, your virtual open house on your listing and it will also be syndicated out. So I have pushed those out to all of our partners. It is up to them who grabs that. I can't tell you that every syndicating partner is going to grab that live stream link, but most of them, I believe, are trying very hard to catch those links. I know the big ones like Realtor.com and Zillow. I've spoken to both of them personally, and they are going to catch those links as they come out. So once you put this in, it is also searchable by other agents in the MLS, but it will push this out to the public and to those other websites in order for you to get the word out on your virtual open house. So let's just walk through a scenario of a virtual open house. So you've gotten your link, you've pushed that into the MLS, it's pushed out to the public, and it is time for you to do your virtual open house. So you're simply going to go to the listing, of course, open the listing up. Open all the windows just like you would do, open up everything that you normally would with an open house. But of course, you can skip the open house signs this time and probably the cookies. Once you're in the open house, or once you're in the listing, you're going to simply go to the program that you've selected. You're going to start your virtual open house, and you'll be able to watch the people that are connected into your virtual open house. You should be able to see how many people have joined you. And once you are ready to start, you can simply just walk through the house. So you're going to be able to introduce yourself. You're going to be able to tell them your company name, all of your contact information, and then simply tour the home just like you would do with them one-on-one if they were there for an open house. You will be able to answer any questions they have because they should be able to speak with you directly. You do have the option on a lot of these programs to mute people if you have a good number of people and it seems a little bit crazy. You can mute them, or you can choose to talk with them one-on-one as well with this video chat. So that's it. Once you're done, you just simply end your video chat and you have completed your virtual open house. So we are still here even though we're working at home. The MLS department is constantly checking our emails and our voicemails. So if you have any questions about this, please do not hesitate to send an email to mls@pensacolarealtors.org. We are here to help you through this difficult time. Thank you.